Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates as well as career guidance, interview tips, as well as I share interview experience of our students. So if you have come first time in our channel, you have to subscribe to get these tip videos in our channel. So let's get started. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about TCA Ninja 10 plus candidates interview experience on 18th of October. Okay, so yesterday they have given their interview. I'm going to discuss about the questions they have faced, all the branches like CSIT branches as well as mechanical, MCA, all these branches experience I'm going to share. Electrical electronics branches also have shared their interview experience. So this video is going to be a important and hit video to all of you, those who have not given their interview or those who are preparing for some other kinds of interview in other companies also. This type of questions may come there also. Let's get started to the questions. Okay, so we are able to see that first candidate who has given his interview on 18th of October, his time was 11:30 a.m. in the morning. First question he received like introduce yourself, which language he prefer, he familiar in Java, some OOPS concept with real example they asked, explain multi-threading, pointers, basics, data structure, what is stack, bootstraps knowledge if he have, why you prefer Java over any other language, what a difficulty faced in you till MCA. So this candidates is from MCA batch, so that's why this question asks to him. Then overloading overriding concept with example, it's a hit question, prepare everyone, I will suggest you. What do you understand pointer to pointer? Then what is deadlock, what is runtime polymorphism? It is also important question. Can you achieve runtime polymorphism by data members? No, because data members cannot be overridden. So next few questions like write program for swap two numbers without using third variable, write a program for Fibonacci series, what do you understand by multidimensional, what is difference between string and string buffer, what is applet, describe little about project. Then thank you. Next, candidate 2, first HR asked for introduction, then from technical round, description of project, what was the per day work in project development, what is machine learning, what is machine learning, where is machine learning used, difference between classification and regression, what is SVM regression, what is database, difference between data mart and database. So as you were saying, he mentioned about his project which he have done from machine learning, so that's why he received very much questions from machine learning, regression, classifications. Okay, next he received from database and SQL, what is where clause, what is difference between PL SQL and SQL, what is syntax of PL SQL. Then two coding question like reverse string and reverse a number. After that, managerial question, everyday implementation of machine learning algorithm example, are you flexible for working in any project, are you will to relocate. Total time he took 45 minutes, started 5 minutes before the allotted time. Okay, so for the next candidate, which is from mechanical background, he asked with these questions by the interviewer like familiar programming language, exception handling, he aware, try catch block example, what is constructor, Java syntax explanation, main method in different type of arrays. Next, HR asked why TCS, why IT from mechanical, then favorite subject, then mechanical industries which uses IT, relocation and shifts. After that, candidate 4 who is from ECE batch. So as you are able to see, I have already discussed different branches experience, so watch the video till end so that you will get clear cut idea for every branch. Okay, so for ECE, first he asked for ID proof, then software development, what is SD, then dangling pointers, it is some important and difficult question, prepare this one. Are you good at mathematics? What is Armstrong number? What pointers are used in that? Which language is based in 2021? C or Python? Which language is faster in 2021? Java and Python. How to overcome dangling pointers project? Difference between my project and existing one? Do you have any idea of core subjects? What is resistance? What is voltage? What is conductance? Diode? Do you know Python? As he from EC, so that's why these few basic questions he are receiving. Do you know Python? What is slicing, list, tuples, dictionaries? As he have knowledge of Python. Then difference between list, tuple, dictionaries. Then some HR related question like who is CEO of TCS, who is the chairman, certification if he done, poster presentation if he done, because he mentioned about these things in his resume, so that's why he received these questions. Regarding on my resume, some question other than this, any technical certification if he done, about his schooling, family, if you have some new technology will learn or work, if you are a team lead, how will you manage, will you work overtime, can you manage both professional and personal life. Then again for another EC candidate whose time slot was from 350 to 550, explain about your name, ID proof, project and my role, papers submitted, what language he know, pointer, dangling pointer in C, is C uses, decreased, list, tuple, compiler, interpreter, GSM module, why TCS, how would you like to see in your 5 years, willing to relocate, about family if you are selected, and lead role, how will you handle conflicts and stress, if I, that is the HRM, the project leader, and always mocking you and supporting others, how will you solve that. Then HR asked if he had any questions. Next candidate whose slot was 11:30 to 1:30 for first thing ID proof and SD, then OOPS concept, its explanations, constructor with example, array definition, example structure, difference between array structures, difference between structure and union, inheritance concept with example, explain about static object, data type, size, about project, then YTCS. Then again for the candidate 7 branch CSC, time slot was 350 to 550. Again some SD soft ID proof shown, then about project, tokens, call by value, call by reference. This is important for CS candidates. Data types, OOPS concept, SQL, situation based questions, are you willing to join in their company, about TCS, etc. Again candidate 8 is from CSC, his slot was from 2 to 3:40. So firstly they asked them about if he had done his lunch, then introduce yourself, then project, then what is Java, what is OOPS, difference between Java and OOPS, if you were a team leader, first team size is 5, after some days it is 4, why will you manage then, what, how will you manage then, what is the adaptability, any questions. Then candidate 9 tier asks about self intro, C language question, Java question, pointer, DBMS basic question, DBMS RDBMS difference, does Java contains pointers, explain if does not, what is the alternative, overloading, overriding, DML, DDL, DCL, TCL queries, types of keys in DBMS, what is composite key, why do we use CSS, about project, about linked list, what is OS, locks in DBMS, deadlock, inheritance. HR asked him strength, like how will you manage stress, will you work at night shift, willing to relocate, any questions. Candidate 9 asked like about the certification, features of Python, memory allocation in C, what are access specifiers, and then are only 3 present in Java, what is RT technology, project, about project, technologies, code implementation, role in project, relocate, flexible background verification, these things like how will you use your strength in future. Again the pointer, dynamic memory allocation, difference between while and do while, about C language, any backlog if we have. Then candidate 10 same Python questions, data type question in C, syntax for looping statement, program on given series, mini project, code for the mini project, academic details, data type conversion, YTCS. For candidate 11 CSC he is, and project first self introduction, then project, then IoT, about advantage of IoT, access specifier in C++ and Java, is there any extra access specifier in Java, is Python better than C, addition of two numbers using printf, we can print or not without using printf, it's a tricky question. Are you willing to relocate, any gap in education, government ID proof, are you willing to take night shift, this type of questions. Then for the candidate 12, he is from electronics and communication and electrical. Okay, so triple E branch. First he asked about self introduction, then which language he preferred, data types in C, examples, heap, scoop, difference between array, linked list, certification, project, how it is practically used, role in project, why TCS, if you offered a team leader project, team leader role after 5 years, will you do it, what is algorithm, binary search algorithm, about the resume, do you like painting, drawing, which type of drawing you do, this kind of hobby related questions. So main tips is there: prepare your resume very well and prepare the basic concepts from those subjects you have mentioned in your resume, and prepare very well for DBMS and one uh, one subject related questions, one subject mainly focus DBMS, OS either or networking, and prepare two programming languages like Java or Python, C or Java, C, Java, Python 3 if you can, very good for you. So these, in this way you need to attend your interview and you have to give your best. So I will suggest prepare very well if you have time, and try to cover all the concepts. So all the best, you will definitely get your job in your dream company. Thanks for watching. If you really like the content, hit the like button and subscribe our channel and share this news with your friends. Take care. We will meet in next video with new job updates.